today, I'm gonna be doing a vlog on this channel because my main channel camera died. So that's why I'm charging it right now. So we're gonna have a vlog on this channel. If you don't mind me now, I'm in my pajamas, so yeah. And I'm playing this slime right now. This is a one day. I made this yesterday. I'll show you that. But first let me show you where I keep my slime. So there's my cabinet. It's very dirty. So the dirtiest one. Slime. Here's my colors. I'll show you my two slimes I made yesterday at my friend's party. So I'm trying to find a chunky. Okay. So I don't know what to call this one yet, but it has chunky glitter. You can see right there. And then it has pink and a little bit of gold glitter. And it's like so it's blue. I know, I'm registered. I know. So yeah, my camera died, so that's when I'm charging it right at this moment right now. So yeah, that's why I'm vlogging on this channel. I don't know what to call it, so comment down below what I should name it. So this is what it is. I'm gonna add some more blue. That's so pet peeve. Let me do a pet peeve. If there's a really big bubble, what? I do it like this. Like this. It's not big. And I do it fast enough, it's fun. And I know that I think I might know. So here's this one. So starch. I think that's wrong. It's a little hard because it's like a tad bit sticky. So what I used, shaving cream, glue, and contact lens solution, and glitter, and big glitter. This camera's a little weird. So this camera is a little weird than my usually iPad camera thing. Yeah. I need help on What name could that be? I might call it Glitter Sky. I don't know. But next, I want to call it Alphabet, but it doesn't have a lot of letter beads. Does it have a letter beads in here? See if you can see the letter beads. But these, this is the letter beads. Like that. And they also have the glitter in it. I'm calling it Alphabet right now. Very colorful. Feels so loud. I added some conditioner and lotion to make it clickier and stretchier. Pet peeve. So I'm just gonna cover you guys up, and I'm gonna see. You'll just gotta listen to the ASMR, okay? Just listen. Okay, ready? Is that good? I like it, didn't it? So this one is a little bit hard. Like I won't call it hard. I'd call it a little bit hard. So you want some ASMR out of this? You thought I was gonna crunch it. Well, you are wrong. You thought I was gonna poke it? I'm gonna crunch it. And some of the beads fell out from that. I might have to take the beads out. So I might call this teacher, but this just reminds me of school, so I don't know. I'm going with teacher or alphabet. This is really good swirls. Can you guys see that? This is just a vlog, but it's really not a vlog. I'm gonna get a little bit of every slime. I mean a little bit. And do some smoothing. not named slime, and that teacher or alphabet slime. Which bubblegum. Oh, really bubblegum? It took it over. Trust me, this is not every slime. Ugh, that is hard. Okay, this is not every slime I have. Trust me. There's just some bad slime. I'm not gonna be putting. This is Nerds Rep. It's a flowing slime. That was Pineapple Punch. It's a little sticky. Get back over here. That's grape taffy. And then I'll just add a drop of there. And this is not all of my slimes again. This is pet peeves everywhere. Literally, look. Pet peeves are everywhere in this slime. This is some weird slime. Kind of have to poke with one finger, so yeah. Get the leftovers on my hand. This can be my cleanup slime. Very weird. You guys, you want to touch this slime? I bet you did. Yuck. there was a slime that was really bad, and so every slime smoothie I do, it will go into there.